because sometimes source rep is not working well. So I'm gonna record this one because at this time source rep looks working. So yeah, first of all, someone just want to the up and running for the up and running for the local run and remote runs at the same one execution. So that's why we just created this picture. So as you see that this wiki, I just created this wiki. So this is shows people previously, if someone just want to run a tester running in local, then just running one execution, and then other thing is remote run is a separated run executions. But so totally two execution is up and running. So for the local and remote run, but in this case, this feature is allowed the one execution handle the multiple environment such as a local environment and remote environment. So one execution now is can handle the multiple environment. So how is it, user can control this one? User just to put this parameter into the test engine. Then your test engine is a control of this one. So CT core is automatically catch this parameter into your case. So this case is a global control such as one suite and one suite. So like a POMXML does. POMXML use the same way. POMX as you see, if POMXML is still setting the this way, this one, then maybe CT core is works this way. But if user want to change the up and running differently, like this one, sometimes on the this one, the parameter this parameter into the test engine, and then this parameter under the test method. Then maybe this one is each test has a different environment, such as one test case is running local, one test case maybe other test case maybe running remote. So this demo is showing that kind of behavior. So I made this kind of case. One test case is up and running in remote. So this WebDriver running local false. And other test case, which is below one. Yeah, this one running local true. That means running is running in local. So you can see the browser in this view. So now it's up and on. Two different tests is up and running. So I will running this one. Oh, what is this error? Maybe something is happened error. Let me check what's the error. I don't think this is a kind of error. So let me check. Sorry for latency. If you doesn't want to do this kind of fix, then maybe please forward. Yeah, looks like just my environment is messy. I gonna using the IE driver because my machine is doesn't work on Chrome, so still I didn't fix my issue. So up and running. First of all, that one is first one should be running remote. So source rep might be showing that kind of up and running. So as you see, source rep is now up and running. Example test method. So this is the example test method, right? Example test method. So example test method is up and running. And second test case would be the different. This one is a group test. So not the example. The other test should not be up and running on the example test case. That's up and running the source rep. So source rep dashboard doesn't show up. Yeah, this test case gather more time. So if you don't want to take a look at this one, please forward it a little bit. Uh, in this change, I changed a little bit more, so optimize more, and then browser handling a little bit more. So you can see the extended report a little bit changing. I will explain that after this. Yeah. Oh man, too slow. I'm gonna napping. Yeah, you can forward the little bit more. Still, case is up and running. This test case is expected pair. I think I expected pair, but that looks like there's time issue. Oh, yeah, now is started the next test case. So this is a local running. So I can show make sure this test case is not up and running. As you see, this is pair. This is pair, but it's not any test in here, as you see. So these actually two test cases up and running in the local only, not remotely. Yeah, two test cases up and running. One test case is done in local, and second test case still up and running. Yeah, this test case was completed. So three test cases actually completed. So after that, you can see the failure two, whatever failure, but I can show the extended report. Uh, yeah, you can see extended report to show the some kind of failure. Any failure is coming, but whatever thing, what I change is here. If you see the running local, in running local. If you see the running remote. And one of the things is which browser you using. This is IE. So this is IE. You're using IE browser. Not browser type is this one anymore. So this kind of grouping is only for the group testing, test engine group. So not the browser is type is part of group. So this would be little change for this one. Yeah, running remote and running local. It's one execution. Thank you. Where's